So you see Blizzard is sitting in his crate nicely waiting for me to release him to come and play, which is exactly what I want him to do while I'm training out on the agility field. So today we're going to work the bottom contact on the dog walk and send him into the weaves. Blizzard, come. Target. Good boy. Go, get him. Go. Go, 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 go. Good boy. Yes. Can you go the other way, buddy? Yes. Go, get him. Go. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. So we work in the 6 weaves, and then we'll add the 12 later.